My name is Dr. Nushini Zadi Farhart. I'm a radiation oncologist and practice in Houston, Texas. In my childhood, I have suffered from long periods of trauma, for which I have been suffering from insomnia, depression, anxiety for decades. And there is really absolutely nothing I have not tried. 26 years of therapy, antidepressants, all kind of medications for sleeping, transcranial magnetic stimulation, EFT, MDR, psychedelics, you name it, I have tried it. And none of them have worked for my insomnia. A couple of weeks ago, Universe brought MAP into my Facebook page. I took a look at it, and as I was wondering whether I should do this or not, a colleague and friend of mine from Long Island texted me and said, you should look into this program, and I'm getting certification for it. And I'm like, wow, she is really serious. And these are like two signs from the universe 2 days in a row. I better look into it. I participated in a group session 2 weeks ago. And during that session, I volunteered to try MAP. Colette, the founder of MAP, whom I'm immensely grateful to, asked me to imagine one of the events in my childhood that was very traumatic, and I still had very negative emotions associated with it. And within a matter of minutes, I went from 8 out of 10, 10 being the worst, to 0. And this was only a group session. It was not even a private session. It was just a few minutes. And what is amazing about MAP, when she asked me what was different about it, I said the difference was that I didn't have to go back and tell the stories again. Because every time I tell those stories, it re-traumatizes me. I didn't even have to imagine all the events, because this was over a period of 10 years. I only needed to focus on one event, because our superconscious has access to all the files that are related to this particular event. And it was fast. I have been more than 25 years trying to remove these negative emotions with medication, with therapy, with... This is something doesn't have any side effects. It doesn't have side effects of medications. It's very easy. I didn't have to do anything. I was just sitting there relaxing. It was fantastic. It's genius. What Colette has founded is genius. And I don't think enough people know about it. So both me and my friend and colleague have taken it upon ourselves to spread the word and send this to everyone we know. Once again, I highly recommend that if you're seeing this clip, please go to mapcoachinginstitute.com. Try it for yourself, and I'm sure you would find it extremely helpful.